Ever wondered why certain fruits, like oranges, are recommended to avoid at night? In this video, we'll uncover the reasons behind this common dietary advice and explore whether it's based on science or just a myth. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and let's unravel the mysteries of late-night orange consumption together. Why you shouldn't eat oranges at night. There's a prevalent belief that consuming oranges or citrus fruits before bedtime might not be the best idea. Here are a few reasons why. 1. Acidic nature. Oranges are naturally acidic, and consuming acidic foods close to bedtime might lead to discomfort for individuals with acid reflux or sensitive stomachs. 2. Digestive system. The digestive system tends to slow down at night as the body prepares for rest. Eating heavy or acidic foods may disrupt the digestive process and potentially cause indigestion. 3. Sleep quality. Some people report that acidic foods close to bedtime can contribute to heartburn or sleep disturbances, impacting the overall quality of sleep. While these reasons might be valid for some individuals, it's crucial to note that everyone's body reacts differently. Some people may not experience any issues with consuming oranges at night. As always, it's essential to listen to your body and make dietary choices that align with your personal comfort and health goals. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe